If I tell you that the cube root of 6859 can be found in just 2 steps, would you believe me? So let's crack it together and you will see how easy it really. So the cube root of a number is the value which when multiplied by itself 3 times gives the original number. In simple words, it's the opposite of cubing. So we can say that 6859, when we divide with 19, this gives us 361. And 361 is the square of 19. When we divide 19, this gives 19. And 19 divide 19 is 1. So 6859 is 19 times 19 times 19 or 19 cube. So now taking cube root on both sides. So cube root of 6859 is equals to 19 power 3 times 1 by 3. So it will cancel out. So cube root of 6859 is 19. So whenever you see a big number and you find the cube root, then try prime factorization. If the factors group neatly into triplets, you got a perfect cube. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.